Here is a detailed breakdown of Alesse, a commonly prescribed oral contraceptive. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name. Generic name, levonorgestrel estradiol. Drug class, combined oral contraceptive, COC, estrogen progestin. Brand name Alesse, also sold under brands like Evian, Lutera, Lucina. What is Alesse? Alesse is a combination birth control pill that contains two hormones, ethinyl estradiol, estrogen levonorgestrel, progestin. It works by preventing ovulation, thickening cervical mucus to block sperm, altering the uterine lining to prevent implantation. The indication. Alesse is indicated for prevention of pregnancy contraception. It may also help regulate menstrual cycles, reduce menstrual cramps, acne, and decrease the risk of ovarian cysts. 4. Contraindications. Do not use Alesse if you have a history of blood clots, stroke, or heart attack, liver disease or liver tumors, known or suspected breast or uterine cancer, uncontrolled hypertension, migraine with aura, smoking and age over 35, pregnancy, undiagnosed abnormal vaginal bleeding. SHA5. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Tell your doctor if you have a history of hypertension, diabetes, gallbladder disease, or high cholesterol, family history of blood clots or stroke, depression or mood disorders, upcoming surgery or immobility, breastfeeding or recently given birth. 6. How to use. Take one pill daily at the same time each day. Follow the exact order of pills in the pack, active versus placebo. Start on day 1 of menstruation or first Sunday after period starts. 7. Dosing information. Standard dose, 1 active tablet containing levonorgestrel 0.1 milligrams and ethinyl estradiol 0.02 milligrams daily for 21 days, followed by 7 placebo pills or no pills for 7 days depending on the pack. Cycle is repeated every 28 days. Missed dose, overdose. Missed 1 active pill. Take as soon as remembered. Continue the pack. Missed 2 or more pills. Follow the instructions in the package insert. Use backup contraception. Overdose. May cause nausea, vomiting, vaginal bleeding. Seek emergency help if overdose is suspected. 9. Stop or avoid taking Alesse if you develop high blood pressure, jaundice, or signs of a blood clot. You become pregnant. You are preparing for major surgery requiring immobility. You begin experiencing visual disturbances, chest pain, or severe headaches. So 10 side effects. Common, nausea, vomiting, breast tenderness, headache, irregular bleeding or spotting, mood changes. Serious, seek immediate help, blood clots, leg pain, swelling, chest pain. Stroke symptoms, sudden weakness, vision speech changes, liver problems, yellowing of skin or eyes, severe hypertension. 11 other drugs will affect Alesse. Medications that may reduce Alesse's effectiveness: antibiotics, rifampin, anticonvulsants, carbamazepine, phenytoin, topiramate, HIV medications, ritonavir, nevirapine. Always inform your provider about any over-the-counter, herbal, or prescription drugs you are using. Would you like a printable